Are you fed up with trying to make profitable trading decisions while having to continuously monitor market data? Keeping up with the most recent trends and trading tactics can be difficult in the ever-changing world of trading, but what if I told you there was a way to use cutting-edge technology to your advantage? In this video, I'll introduce you to an innovative tool that can help you spot profitable trading chances in real time by using machine learning-based KN-based indicators. Prepare to transform your trading style and advance your wealth with this potent technology. Traders, please take a moment to like this video if you're enjoying the material. Trading Factory is on a mission to offer you the best trading tools and strategies possible so you can dominate the market. The investing method I'll go over today works incredibly well for scalping and day trading equities, high volatility forex pairs, and cryptocurrencies. For this strategy, the best time frames are 3, 5, and 15 minutes. As an example, let's view the Bitcoin chart on a 3-minute time frame. The trading setup includes 3 free TradingView indicators. I'll go over each one's functionality as we add it. Click the indicators box and enter machine learning KN-based strategy to add the indicators. Let's thank the creator Capissimo for this wonderful script. The KN, or Canaris Neighbors machine learning technique, predicts the direction of future market movements based on patterns in the data by analyzing historical market data. The algorithm looks at the K closest data points to the current data point, where K is a value set by the user, and uses those data points to predict whether the price will go up or down. The algorithm then generates trading signals based on these predictions, telling the user when to buy or sell a particular security. By using machine learning to analyze market data-driven strategies can find profitable trading opportunities that human traders may overlook. Using a machine learning KN-based trading technique has several advantages. Traders can produce more accurate predictions about future price movements by analyzing vast amounts of historical data and spotting patterns that might not be immediately obvious to human observers. Speedier processing. Trading signals generated by KN-based strategies can be generated in real time, allowing traders to react rapidly to new opportunities. Decreased human prejudice. KN-based strategies are not subject to these same biases and can produce more objective trading signals, whereas traders can be affected by emotions, biases, and other factors that can cloud their judgment. Higher scalability. Trading opportunities can be found in a variety of markets and asset classes thanks to the ability of KN-based strategies to scale to evaluate multiple securities at once. Overall, using KN-based strategies can assist traders in making wiser and more successful trading choices while minimizing the influence of human biases and emotions. We obviously cannot use this indicator alone, as this will result in a lot of false signals. This indicator by Capissimo prints buy and sell signals based on the strength of the signals. Labels may have lower or higher opacity. So let's add the second sign, dubbed EMA ribbon by Dominic Ossoletti, to the chart. The exponential moving average ribbon is a trading indicator used to determine the direction and intensity of a trend in the market. It is made up of several exponential moving averages plotted on a price chart. Plotting multiple exponential moving averages with various time periods, usually between 5 and 100 periods, results in the EMA ribbon. The moving averages are then stacked on top of one another, giving the chart the look of a ribbon. If the ribbon is sloping upward, the market is in an uptrend. If it is sloping downward, the market is in a downtrend. Based on the trend's direction and the price's position in relation to the moving averages, traders can use the EMA ribbon to help them spot possible buy or sell signals. Because it can clearly visualize trends and possible reversals, the EMA ribbon is a well-liked trading indicator among technical analysts. As we can see, this EMA ribbon indicator provides buy and sell signals. Since we already have a machine learning-based buy-sell indicator on the screen, let's turn off the EMA ribbon signals. The EMA ribbon does a good job of removing fake signals, but there are still some, so we'll add the RSI indicator to our strategy to increase its accuracy. I'm confident you're already familiar with this technical indicator. This instrument, which runs from 0 to 100, is used in trading to assess the strength of a security's price movement. For our strategy, We will adjust the RSI parameters in accordance with the common consensus that the indicator is overbought when it is above 70 and oversold when it is below 30. To do this, open the style of the indicator and change the RSI upper band to 60 and the RSI lower band to 40. Now that the setup is complete, we can move on to the entry requirements for a buy transaction. The price must first be closed above the 200 EMA. The EMA ribbon must also be above the 200 exponential moving average, be green, and display a blue label on the machine learning indicator. Finally, before the buy signal, the RSI indicator must be oversold. Once these requirements are met, you can initiate a long trade. Set your stop loss below the most recent swing low. Once you have earned 50% of the earnings, double the risk and set the stop loss at the break-even point. Do the reverse for short trades and wait until the price and the ribbon drop below the 200 EMA. Wait until the RSI is overbought and the ribbon turns red before looking for a sell indication from machine learning. One more crucial point: if the RSI turned oversold at the time the sell signal was sent, avoid entering the trade. Instead, start a short trade if the regulations are in place. Place the stop loss above the movement from recently. High target set the stop loss at the break-even point after doubling the risk and achieving half of the return. Okay, so now that you know the trading setup, let's actually do our backtest on a 5-minute time frame and see if the outcomes are reasonable or not. I just finished the backtesting, and these results have surprised me. Our win rate is 70%, and the profits end up at 11%. I would also like to mention that these results will be different when trading live, so always try the strategy for yourself before using it. Guys, feel free to run back and forward testing on various markets and times to gauge how well it performs. If you want to see one of my other trading strategies I use when day trading, check this video right here, because this strategy works great on the every time frame you want. I'll see you guys next time.